If you're getting your house ready to sell, you might be wondering, should I fix this? Replace that? It's easy to feel overwhelmed, especially when everyone has an opinion. Let me make it simple. Some updates matter, but others are totally a waste of time and money. Let's break it down. Let's start with the 3 things you need to do to prepare your home for sale. First, clean more than you think. And I don't just mean wiping counters. I mean deep clean like baseboards, bookshelves, door frames, stuff that buyers will notice. A clean home doesn't just look better, it shows buyers that you've taken care of your home. Next is stay on top of repairs. Buyers will check if the AC works, if the roof leaks, or if your water heater looks ancient. You don't have to replace everything, but showing that you've maintained it, that builds trust. And number 3, boost your curb appeal. First impression matters. Trim the bushes. Plant a few flowers. Clean up your driveway. You don't need fancy landscaping. You just need to make sure everything is clean and welcoming. Now, let's talk about some updates that you can skip. Now, this one's going to be a big one because most sellers do thinking about doing these 2 first, and that is fixing up the bathroom or the kitchen. A lot of buyers are okay with older spaces that's clean and functional. So instead of remodeling, you can do small things like updating the hardware, painting the cabinets, cleaning the tiles, or reglazing the tubs. Less money, more impact. This next one is a big one as well, and I know you guys are going to be shocked at this one, and it is don't replace the roof. Now hear me out. If you have no active leak, don't rush into replacing it. Now, the only exception I would give to this rule is if your roof is 20 years old and you have not done anything to it, however, it has a lot of wear and tear, then I would consider replacing it. But if it's a fairly good roof and you haven't had any leakage issues, and it's been doing pretty good, I would probably consider not replacing it. Buyers usually expect to handle bigger repairs later and will probably negotiate a credit instead. Next is don't replace your flooring unless it's really bad. If your floors are clean and livable, leave them. Focus on steam cleaning the carpet or uncovering any hardwood floors if there's any underneath. Buyers will love that. Only replace them if there's a lot of stains and some strong odor. When it comes to prepping your home, you don't need to overspend. Just be intentional. That's why I created a free home seller's guide to help you focus on the updates that are more important. It will walk you through simple steps to help you get your home ready to sell, so you don't feel overwhelmed. If you would like a copy, the link will be in the description. Before you go, I just want to leave you with a little encouragement. Isaiah 32 verse 18 says, "My people will live in peaceful dwelling places, in secure homes, and in undisturbed places of rest." So whether you're moving on or just settling in, I pray peace follows you in every step you take, and your next home is filled with comfort, joy, and purpose. Thank you for watching. I'm truly glad you're here. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.